Good morning, class 8. We are in chapter sound. In previous lecture, we discussed about sound wave, vibration, how sound is produced, amplitude, time period, oscillation. Let us proceed this chapter. Class 8, chapter 16, not 16, 13. Sound. First topic is frequency. Frequency. See, what is frequency? If you count the number of oscillation of a pendulum in say 60 seconds, divide the number by 16, it will give you the number of oscillation per second, and this is known as frequency of oscillation. Means the number of oscillation per second is known as frequency of oscillation. Okay, per second. The number of oscillation per second the number of oscillation per second is called the frequency of oscillation. Frequency of oscillation. Frequency is measured in hertz. Frequency is measured in hertz. Hz. For example, if the pendulum makes 5 oscillation every second, 5 oscillation every second, its frequency is 5 hertz. Okay, so I hope now you understand the concept of frequency. It is all about the number of oscillation per second. Okay, the number of oscillation per second is known as frequency of oscillation. For example, if a pendulum isolate 5 times, 6 times, 10 times, if for example if the pendulum makes 10 oscillation per second or every second, so the frequency is 10 hertz. Okay, so the number of oscillation per second is known as frequency of oscillation. Okay, next topic is characteristics of sound. characteristics of sound. The factors which make sounds different from each other are called characteristics of sound. These factors are first, loudness; second, pitch; and third one is quality of sound. Okay, so these factors, loudness, pitch, quality, which make sound different from each other. Okay, the sound of cat, the sound of lion is differ from each other due to these factors, loudness, pitch, quality. Okay, which makes sound different from each other, and these factors are known as characteristics of sound. Okay.